real five-star performance. Tell the grandchildren about.
It's always a dangerous play just after.
Just about up to 75 minutes. He's playing here on the flank.
Influence, it's as simple as that, because in this team he will be the one that they'll be looking to get on the ball and go and make it happen.
With that, he's now found the net in his last 5 games. You can't keep it good. Got another chance here.
And he's shown him a...
When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone, thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the when I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here in a flash. When I ask, oh dear love, where did we come from? You say that like the sun. I had the will and mission, but the wrong position. I was open, praying for a sign, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, guiding me out the dark. You guided me out the dark. When I'm blue, I think of you in your eyes, how they look at mine, so kinda like that. You slow down time and everything's just fine. I was ocean swimming with just wishbone, thinking of my life, the vision drifting by, until I found a lighthouse in your heart, shining like a beacon of bright stars. How did life go wandering far, until I found a lighthouse?
This is Peter Drury, and it is a real joy to say that I'm joined here by the distinguished analyst of our game, Mr. Jim Begley.
Hello Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
I've made a major appointment here. What's your take on it?
This could be a very open, attractive game to watch.
Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here. Just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. A quick look at the lineups. There's the whistle, and here we go. Well, very few players come to mind ahead of a certain Graham Souness when we use the term midfield general.
Yeah, it applies to him because he's as strong a character as it comes, Peter. He is untouchable in terms of self-belief and fears absolutely nothing.
And alongside all of that, he is wonderfully stylish, isn't he?
Yes, the tough guy image is used mostly to describe him, Peter, yet he has all the assurance and composure that's needed on the ball. The complete midfielder.
With that, he's now found the net in his last 5 games.
Big chance here! With a fine effort. Haaland. Foden. He's off on a marauding run.
Such a run of form now, 4 and 4, you can't argue with that.
A finish right from the top! Luis Diaz! He's taking on the lot of them. Mohamed Salah! Brilliant!
A real 5-star performance. Don't tell the grandchildren about.
It's always a dangerous play just after you've scored, and they fell into that trap then.
And with the... Robertson. Szoboszlai. Just about up to 75 minutes. He's playing here on the flank.
He's made it 5 from 5, and that's why he's the first name on the team sheet. Pulling one back reduces the deficit to 2, but still needs an awful lot to do.
I think this team has great resilience, and what a finish.
I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Begley.
Well, I can tell you I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
Well, here is one of those potentially defining days in the history of any club when it goes toe-to-toe with one of the giants of the game. I've appointed this master tactician. What's your expectation?
Well, I'm hoping for a real ebb and flow about this game.
Soaking up the pre-match atmosphere here as we wait for things to get started. Won't be long now before we get through the formalities. A warm welcome, one and all. So, the lineups. So, it's down to business here. Well, Richard Goff's in the side today, and he's one of the finest centre-backs to come out of the Scottish game.
Yeah, I've got to go along with that. When you look at his achievements and his longevity, the figures speak for themselves, and of course he's a man who...
In towards the middle.
And the goals just keep coming. Confidence sky high, 4 in a row.
An extraordinary start! Breakthrough in next to no time!
Well, the minute that left his feet, it was only going to end up in one place, the right-hand corner. What a great strike! Well, they can't teach you that. That just comes down to natural ability.
The action has already started. We're talking a genuinely stylish player here in Frank Rijkaard. You're not arguing with that, Jim, are you?
No, I've got to totally agree with every word you just said. As holding midfielders go, he is one of the very best. Nothing phases him.
Rafinha. Lewandowski. Big chance here. Back of the net. As sweet as you like. That's glorious.
Well, they can't teach you that. That just comes down to natural ability. That was absolutely sensational.
The second goal, surely the key.
Bellingham. That's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing.
Yamal.
It's got through, and... Yamal!
And the goals just keep coming. Confidence sky high, 4 in a row.
It could not have been more dramatic! Back where we started! Now can they grab another? So it's away we go then. So we get to see Andrei Arshavin, one of the mercurial talents of the game, not just from his part of the world, but from all over the world.
Yeah, a huge Russian star, no doubt about that. A joy to watch for me, and so many strings to his bow. He can pop up in all different areas of the pitch.
So what's his role today?
Well, the big influence. It's as simple as that, because in this team, he will be the one that they'll be looking to get on the ball and go and make it happen.
With that, he's now found the net in his last 5 games. You can't keep a good man down.
Listen, there's no doubt that this guy's capable of having a he has history of it.
It's Cristiano Ronaldo!
To be honest, you'd have been shocked if he hadn't scored. 7 in 7.
As sweet as you like! That's glorious!
Cleanly struck shot.
Oh no, it's an own goal! Is there any support? He might not need it.
5 games in a row, and he's found the target. He's on fire.
It could be a lifeline! 2 more needed!
Well, the minute that left his feet, it was only...
His go, he is one of the very best. Nothing phases him.
They've got another chance here.
And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Has a hit!
5 games in a row, and he's found the target. He's on fire. They've got another chance here.
Messi. He's off on a marauding run. No mistake! 2-0, and they're already threatening to run riot.
It's a privilege to sit here in the commentary box and watch that. This guy is so good, phenomenal.
I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in